Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to discuss about some very good stocks for swing trading that we can take tomorrow. And if you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel. And if you guys want regular updates on investment stock market, please check out our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. Let's start with analysis of Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go for 15 time frame. And let us understand what the Bank Nifty did today. So today the Bank Nifty opened gap up and it came down. It reacted to this support and it went up and it closed below. So let's see what the Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. And if you guys see this pattern, I always tell this kind of pattern will give a huge momentum. So I'm expecting if the Bank Nifty opens flat or little 20 or 30 points up or down, it can give a huge momentum, and the minimum target for the stock will be 36,400. And we are not going to touch the Bank Nifty. It opens gap up or gap down because the Bank Nifty is not giving a proper move. So we're going to wait for a proper move today or tomorrow. So let's go for the stock analysis. And the first stock will be India Bull Housing Finance. So as you can see, India Bull Housing Finance reacted from its support and it trying for a reversal by making a W pattern. So what you guys can do is you guys can go along in the stock having a sell of 222, and the minimum target for the stock will be 248. And the next stock will be Adani Port. And if you guys can see the chart, you guys can see that this kind of pattern will give a huge momentum in future. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 736, and the minimum target for the stock will be 800. And the next stock will be Axis Bank. So if you guys see carefully, the Axis Bank is consolidating at its resistance. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 786. The minimum target for the stock will be 840. And the next stock will be Power Fin Corporation. After a huge fall, it made a reversal by making a W pattern and is now consolidating. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 127. The minimum target for the stock will be 133.50. And that's all for today, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.